Good morning, everybody. Whew. Um, I actually started writing down a lot of things that I wanted to say, but I kind of don't want to do that right now. I'm cleaning my car a little bit, so you'll probably have the vacuum in between. I don't know how long this phone is going to record because I'm recording on the one that kind of gets hot after so long, so I don't know how long I have. And then the other one is on like 8%, so that one's gonna die too. So I guess pick your poison. Hmm. I I had an episode last night. Like, how, yeah, I probably know exactly what I'm talking about. Um, but I guess it's hard for me to explain. You know when like you just have like so much built up stuff, and then you finally just like, right, that's what happened to me. Mm. Um, I'm gonna do this one little by little. Cause yeah, I need to finish back in it. I have a client later at 4:30, so I'm just gonna sit here until then. Um, I might get me something to eat. Anyway, so yeah, it's like it's been a long time coming though, kind of. I'm probably not done. I probably still got a little bit more in me. That's not. I'm not saying that in a good way though. Um, I'm just tired, but at first, like when I used to get to this point, I used to get really depressed, right? But I've learned with experience, I guess, and wisdom that when things seem not to be going your way, is when you need to keep going the most, right? So yeah, and then why be depressed? Shit happens. Shit happens. God damn it. You celebrate times, when it's good, and you just reflect on times when it's not. It's not that big of a deal. I'm not dead. I'm not hurt. My son is fine. I think, I don't know. I don't know. But I do know at this point, I am completely starting over with a lot of things. With a lot of things. My son is really happy about the idea of an RV. And then I also have to put this on my ceiling, right? So, um, get an RV. I want to buy like a plot of land, like a vacant lot, like probably in between some houses. Give me one, get him one, maybe like two more, and then have places to where they're parked, and then pave some walkways for the center, and then right there we can have barbecues and bonfires and pools and stuff like that. Yeah. Yeah. Well, first of all, let me finish this side before I move on to that side. Let me do things little by little, one at a time. My son's book is getting dirty. I really need to put this up. Yeah. I had ordered him like 6 different books because he's homeschooled now. In case you guys are wondering, like, how did he get? My son is homeschooled now. We go over. I might not see him every day, but I definitely give him assignments every day, and I do check in to make sure he did these assignments, and he goes over it with me the assignments. We like video call and stuff. If it's math, so that I can check it. You know. Yeah. So one. You know what? I'm gonna take this off first. Okay. You know what? I don't know if y'all can hear me. Y'all probably can. Yeah. I guess I better not say anything too important in case y'all can't hear me. I'm just really tired, bro. I wonder if y'all can guess where I'm from by the way I speak. Probably not. And the reason why I say that is because um, people always ask me where I'm from. And I'd be like, here. And it was like, what part of here? And I'd be like, there. And they're like, really? Yeah. No one believes that I'm actually from where I'm from for some reason. Maybe my vernacular and dialect. But yeah. I once had this Uber driver who asked me for my number because I did not talk like regular black. I can. I most certainly can. But I can do the kind of code switching things, even though I'm probably off topic. I don't remember what the fuck I was saying before. Oh yeah, I do remember what I was saying before. But let me finish the second time before I go back to the first topic. A lot of practice getting this motherfucker together. A lot of it. A lot of ooh, hot sauce. These hot sauces are the best. Oh my god, I'm mad I got to throw it away. Cause when I clean, I kind of just throw everything away. But I gotta give me another. Oh my god, yes. Code switching. So my mother, right? She's been working in retail since I was probably like 1. So my mom is the anti Karen. Well, she's still anyway. My mom, um, she is like a supervisor over everything. So when I want to speak to the manager, my mom walks up. Yep, my mom usually, had an office inside the stores and whatever. Everybody think it's like so fun to be like a supervisor manager kid. That shit sucks. You know what? You know what? Let me back that up because it didn't suck. It didn't suck. It sucked because she didn't spend a lot of time with us, but that was a choice. That wasn't really because she had to. And I know, your mom got to take care of everything. And anyway, that's a story for another time. The way it didn't suck is because whenever I did work around my mother, we act like we didn't know each other. So it's not like I ever got special treatment. I actually prefer it that way. Because people think you get special treatment when it comes to your parents doing certain things. And me and my mother don't exactly have the best relationship. So she was gonna give me special treatment anyway. But I just wanted to make it perfectly clear to people, like, yeah, I get everything. I get off kind of like my back a little bit. Don't get me wrong. Now she does help my son a lot. I can't say that. Me, but my son, mm, yeah, yeah. So back to the first point. Broski, I'm just. Hmm, and you're like, yeah, I look really high. I am, but that's not why I look that way. I like cry all night. And I tried so hard last night not to go to bed upset. It didn't work. So yeah. Ooh, I think I. No, I didn't break it now. It's coming off. Might as well take it off. Mm. I'm about to vacuum right now anyway. You know what? Sometimes I feel bad about not having anything to say on my videos sometimes. But one of my introductory videos is, you guys want to keep me company. So, yeah. And I actually prefer, like, the longer videos like this. It's been 11 minutes already. Mm. Mm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You know what I thought about? Just thought about just now. Being in tune with the universe makes you kind of conceited a little bit. Some people say I'm not conceited. I'm convinced. What the fuck ever. Um, but yeah, it makes you conceited a little bit because you know how I was just like cry all last night, and it rained last night, and so I have this thing that I make a lot of things about me. Um, message. Uh, and so remember Men in Black? I think it was two, and he was on the rooftop with his daughter, and he was like, "You don't cry because it rains. It rains because you're crying." That's how But I am a lot happier overall in my car than I am in the house. I think it's because, not that I have commitment issues, but I get claustrophobic that when I want to leave somewhere, I need to go. And to me, just thinking of all my things, just being in this solitary thing that I can't move and I can't take with me because I have abandonment issues, I might forget something that's important. Um, can you have abandonment issues and commitment issues at the same time? Hmm. Hmm. And I don't mean just relationships. I just mean to permanent situations. I have commitment issues to permanent situations. Yeah. Um, it's crazy. I do. Yeah, I do a lot of self reflection when I guess cleaning and doing different stuff. I will listen to music, but social media is ass when it comes to put music on. So. Oh yeah, but back to my original point. Usually let things depress me, blah 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 blah. I'm not gonna let this depress me because even when it does, something good is really about to happen. So this is about to be the breaking point of a breakthrough. Yeah, I get the picture. Yeah, I get the picture. Yeah. Oh shit! I had this whole thing set up a certain way. It was actually on my grinder top. I don't think I could find it. I think it fell into the abyss. It did fall into the abyss. One thing. The abyss is, you know, that little crevice in between like the chair and the armrest. Yeah. Well, shit falls down there, and who knows when you're gonna get it back. One time, my wallet dropped into my dashboard, and I couldn't find it for like the longest amount of time. It was like months. My ID was in there, everything. I had to get a new ID. Someone else first thing coming up. Okay, so gotta put these shoes up. Yeah. And don't worry about this shirt. This is like one of my I'm not going nowhere or doing no motherfucking thing shirt. This is sad shirt. Yeah. So yeah, I was just going to I'm probably gonna need these shoes. But I was just going to not upload until my trans gets fixed. But I have never been the type to only upload when, I guess, I'm happy or when things are going well. I try to do that at all times. Oh, I have a whole bag that I usually keep my clothes in. Did I just do that? Oh, I don't know what that is. So, put that probably in there. Yeah. Drop that. Toiletries. I do need to go get some water because I need to brush my teeth. What I'm gonna do with that is, at some point, I want to go to, I think it's Meijer. You can go to and get the big, might be Walmart, Kroger, Kroger. Kroger. Where you can get the big thing of water and just refill it for the lows. Yes, I will be keeping like two of them bitches in my truck. This is not my fork. I don't really want this container like that, but whatever. I used to use it for to keep my braiding gel in there. So I used to scoop out the braiding gel from the container, and then I would put it in there, and so people won't see what I'm using. Not how they don't give a fuck anymore. What you? Oh, I have to get over that. I have learned that you can use all the same products, and that don't mean it's gonna come out as good. I personally learned that. Sorry. Well, it's gonna be a long ass video. I don't know. I just want to sit and talk right now. Or kind of not talk. I don't know. Another thing to invest in, as you see, this little hand vacuum. I think I got it from Family Dollar. I don't remember how much, but I remember getting it from Family Dollar. It's amazing. I actually love it. Shout out to Family Dollar. I don't really let it get that full before I dump it. Like, yeah. Filthy. I'm gonna have to clean this. Yes, I clean my vacuums. I'm also one of those that like clean their garbage cans and things of that nature. One second. Crazy because cleaning really does make me feel better. It really does. And I think in a moment I'll probably walk to this gas station and give me some things. It's like 2 blocks away, and I'm looking straight at it. It's like boop boop. You know what I mean? Nothing major. idea why this side is just like so dirty. Probably gotta put my feet up. Eat. Okay. Eat. Yeah. Hold up. Woo! So like, I'll take the attachment off with certain pieces, and then certain pieces I can't get in the corner, so I really need it. All these dust particles, jeez. Oh, did I tell y'all that y'all probably gonna need to invest in some air freshener? Yeah, probably. But you guys probably already know that. Been a day, been a day, been a day. Just clean and think. Just clean and think. Just clean and think. Yeah. I kind of want to get in between here, but I don't even think I can. Nope. Yeah, I put my covers away. I'm just gonna put this over here by now. I did a light wash up. Yeah. Might as well just throw this fucking fork away. Fuck it. I don't want this container. I don't need it. I really don't need it. Perfume, got a couple sprays left in it. Put that away. I know where to put it at first. What's over here? Throw these away. Toothbrush, lip gloss. I don't think this is my seed thing. More vacuuming. I kind of love the fact that I got tints on my car. Ooh, this video is 34 minutes long. Last part until I get to the front though. Oops. I probably won't fill in the front. I'm probably gonna end this when I get done with this. Cause like I said, I'm doing a lot of self-reflection right now, so I don't have that much to say. Did my trans get fixed? Of course not. So yeah, I'm about to tidy up the front a little bit and then get going to the gas station so I can fill up on supplies real quick. So I guess I'll hit y'all with an update later.